Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. We are outside the new Walmart that just opened up in Frisco, Texas. It's right on the Prosper border. This is rumored to be the largest Walmart in the United States. Thought it'd make for a fun video for all the DIYers and professionals out there to see what kind of detailing products this Walmart offers, especially for the professionals that are in a pinch. And if any of the DIYers are looking to get started, start their own business, this is a good place to start. It won't cost you a lot of money and you'll get your feet wet with detailing products. So let's get inside and see what they have to offer. So we're inside here. I have to apologize. I originally did this audio, but it got screwed up in real time. So as you can see here, they have a slew of products here that you can choose from. And the one thing I would grab first if I was in a pinch and needed some bug and tar remover is the Turtle Wax Bug and Tar. It seems to be the first thing that you would look for. You're going to look for some car shampoos next, or any kind of products that would stick out in your mind. And right away, like I was saying, for car shampoo, you got the Adams Car Shampoo. It's a good entry-level pH neutral car shampoo. And then if you needed some wheel and tire cleaner, albeit it is a better tire cleaner than a wheel cleaner, but the Adams Wheel and Tire will help you get the job done. Got iron remover right here. This would be the next thing I would grab. Not to be overwhelmed here, there is just so much here. It's quite the selection. You got the Adams Rubber Mat and Liner Cleaner here. This stuff works excellent. I'd probably grab the Total Interior Cleaner. We've used that before. Even see some stuff from Jay Leno's Garage up there, and Chemical Guys. And Armor All, but you tend to stay away from the Armor All stuff, of course. All kinds of towels, buckets. What all we got going on here? If I was in a pinch for a topper, you got the Adams Graphene Detail Spray. Although I like the Graphene Boost better, but hey, that's just personal preference. When you're in a pinch, beggars can't be choosers. You got all kinds of stuff from Meguiar's up here. Bunch of companies I've never heard of. Maybe I should review some of the products. You got the Black Magic Tire Wet if that's your thing. If you're into that super silicone-y glazed donut look, but that crap slings everywhere. Got the Adams Tire Shine. You know, you got some detailing buckets here in packages of different sorts. You know, if you're trying to get your start. Got the Jay Leno's Garage bucket here. I heard a little rumor once many years ago that Jay Leno's Garage products is just Adams products in another bottle, or Adams is the one that makes them. Don't quote me on that, but you know, here's the Jay Leno's Garage Tire Shine and the Adams Polishes Tire Shine. Same nozzles, same color, same consistency. Hey, I don't know. All I know is what I was told once. Got some Jay Leno's Garage wheel cleaner here. I'd probably grab that if I needed something more aggressive. It seemed to have iron remover in it. And folks, don't spend $100 on a foam cannon. That's just ridiculous, especially a Chemical Guys foam cannon at Walmart. Now, if you're in a pinch, I understand, but there are plenty of foam cannons you can get that are cheap from Amazon for $20. I have 5 of them. They're all labeled. We all use specific things in them. Got this Meguiar's Complete, this Turtle Wax Complete kits. If that is your thing or your fancy, got all these towels here. Microfiber and chenille mitts. I'm not a chenille guy, but to each their own. All kinds of detailing brushes and stuff. And I really like this tire shine applicator. Almost forgot what I was saying there for a minute. I may actually buy it and review it. You got microfiber applicator pads. Yes, I already picked that up. And here's like the Armor All stuff that most professional detailers stay the hell away from. Stay the hell away from this stuff. You got glass cleaner here. We got Stoner's Invisible Glass. We've also got the sprayway down there that I will come back to here in a minute. You got some carpet and upholstery cleaner here, but you want to stay away from stuff that suds like that. Suds will just attract the dirt after it dries. And there's the sprayway glass cleaner plus a portable wet and dry vac. If your wet and dry vac takes a dump on you. Here's some Jay Leno's Garage interior cleaner. I'm sure that's a step up from anything else that's there. All this stuff, the leather cleaner, the leather conditioner. Between the Adams and the Jay Leno's Garage, I think you could realistically get the job done with everything. Just more carpet cleaners. Like I said, I would probably find some sort of carpet cleaner that doesn't suds, that doesn't foam like that. It's just my personal preference. If you have foaming cleaners like that that work for you out of a can, more power to you. I'm not here to sell you products. I'm here to tell you what works for us, what we would do in our shop, in our environment if we were in a pinch. All kinds of drying towels here and microfiber towels, like I said. You got detailing brushes here. These are actually pretty nice. I might have to try these out. You got barrel brushes for your wheels right there. There's actually quite a lot of selection here. I was kind of impressed by how much crap that they have. Here's some interior goo. I really love the Adams goo, and they quit selling it. They quit making it. So I might have to see if this is a viable replacement for that. See if it actually works or it's just a big giant turd. You never know with some of these detailing products on a consumer level whether they're going to be worth a damn or not, because they're usually not that powerful. But you are starting to see more prosumer grade chemicals. You had some swabs there for interior cleaning. Towels galore, shop towels, microfiber towels, carts, bucket caddies. There is quite the selection in here for either the DIYer or if you're getting ready to start your detailing business. You could get by with your start. I know everybody makes fun of chemical guys. I'm not a chemical guys fan. They make like 5,000 products for everything. You want to stay away from the wash and waxes. If you're going to be doing coatings, you're either going to want to strip wash, especially for a coating, or you're going to want a pH neutral car shampoo so it's easier to work with and you're not stripping any existing products off your customer's vehicle. Got this whole line of Meguiar's stuff here, all kinds of wheel cleaners for Meguiar's. If you need to step it up from the Adams, the Meguiar's clay kit would be a good kit in a pinch if you dropped your clay bar on the ground and you're not using synthetic clay and you're like, oh shit, what do I do? Off to Walmart we go if it was your last clay bar, you know? It's just one of those things that happen because stuff happens in the shop every day. You never know when you might have to run to Walmart and grab some masking tape because you got to order more from Amazon or from your supplier. More shop towels. And there was a bunch of chemicals I had never even heard of and companies I'd never even heard of. And I keep going back to this tire shine applicator. I'm like, damn, I might buy this. And I did walk out with buying it, so I'm going to use it for a hot second. And I may make a video about it after I use it for a while and see where it leads to, see if it's worth the damn or not. It may or may not be. Red Bull, I saw something on here and I was like, Red Bull's making detailing products, but it was just Red Bull Racing. Haha, it got me. Great marketing scheme, guys. Ooh, it's Red Bull Racing. More glass cleaners, like I said. Stoners in the sprayway would be the way I would go. But I think that'll do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments section below what you guys think, what you would buy from here if you were in a pinch or you were just starting out. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Please, if you haven't yet, I'll put a link in the description below. Please join our Facebook group. Like I made a previous video on, I am just sick of the overly stupid questions and spam and nonsense and everybody's promoting their stuff and this and that. No, we need another group that is by detailers, for detailers, whether you're a DIYer or you're a professional. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's the Saturday before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If we don't get a video out next week, we will see you in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. See y'all soon.